welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time seeing me. Hello, my name is Diamond Janae here on YouTube. I do hair reviews, makeup videos, all that type of fun stuff. So if that's the type of stuff you guys are into, definitely consider subscribing to your girl down below. So just a disclaimer, this video is being shot over the course of 2 different days just because unfortunately your girl was a little bit on the dumb side and on the lazy side and decided to wait kind of until last minute to try to film this video with the daylight, knowing darn well that it gets dark at like 5:30 something. So basically I got half the lenses done and then I'm getting the other half done today. Yeah, so basically this is what the box looks like, and all your lenses are gonna come in this box, which is really cool. So I like how everything is really nice and organized. And again, like I mentioned in my other videos, I love how they always give you contact lens cases as well. So literally the only thing you need to get when you order from this company is contact solution. That's it. Like literally they give you everything else. They give you the tools you need to help put your contacts in and out if you don't know exactly what you're doing. Also they give you like this cute little mirror, so like if you're on the go you can like quick put it in your purse, like if you need to like quick fix it or like adjust it or like take it out and put it back in, that's in there for you. You also get some stickers, so I like that. I didn't really personally use the stickers on anything of mine personally. I think I might just give this to my nieces to play with. And then also each pair of contacts that you get do come in their own each individual box. As you guys can see here, this time around I just got 4 lenses, which is fine for me. But as you guys can see, these are basically what the lens cases look like. But anyway, so inside each individual box you are gonna get one of these, and mind you there's 1 lens in each of these cases. And like I mentioned before in my last video, I really like how, like for me personally, my contacts prescription isn't the same on each eye. My left eye is 3.50 and then my right eye is 3.00. So I really do like how on the packaging as well it tells you exactly which prescription is which, so you don't get them mixed up and your eyes aren't going all crazy and stuff like that. So I really do appreciate that they do that as well. And then also you get these cute little like glitter heart thingies as well in the box. And like I briefly mentioned before, if you're a beginner and you've never applied contacts before, or you're just the type of person that doesn't really like using your hands and stuff like that, you do get with each contacts case, you do get an insertion tool, which basically you put it on there and then plop it on. And then also tweezers to help you take your contacts out. Alright, so now that we have all the formalities and whatnot and all that excess information out the way, now for me to actually show up is show you guys what these bad boys actually look like. So the first pair of contacts that I'm wearing are actually the HD brown, and honestly for me, I don't know, like the thing is too, because like obviously like when I look to see like which pair of contacts that I want, I always like to look them up just in case. It's kind of like with hair too, like you want to look it up to see exactly what you're expecting. So to me, I knew that these were going to be more like a gray color, and they definitely are more like a gray color to me. Now granted, I wasn't personally mad because I knew what I was expecting, and this is basically the color gray that I wanted. But yeah, I'm not mad at these at all. But again, like definitely when it comes to this company, I love their contacts. I love how realistic they look. They're comfortable. Their prescription is always on point because your girl can see. It's just, I will say the color accuracy, you do have to be a little bit careful because of course depending on what color eye somebody has naturally, you're putting another lens on top of it, so the color might be altered a little bit. But yeah, long story short, I really like these, but again, these are definitely gray and not so much brown. Alright guys, so the next pair of contacts that I'm wearing for you guys today are the Real India contacts. Now guys, listen, these are cute, bro. Like honestly, and the funny thing is too, I've actually had my eyes on these for quite a while. I don't know, but like they're just so out there and so different, but at the same time I feel like they look natural as well too. But I really do like the little added like blue ring that's on the side that they like these have. Like I don't know, like it's definitely different. I will say I will walk outside of the house looking like this. Like honestly, I think I already did walk outside the house with these on, actually, now that I think about it. But yeah, like I like the little subtle detailing, and again, it's not like, it doesn't scream crazy fake to me, because I actually do know some people in person that their eyes look similar to this. Yeah, for the most part, these, I'll probably say out of the batch that I've gotten from them this time around, I will say these are probably my favorite. Alright guys, so the next contacts that I'll be wearing are the Egyptian brown contacts, and guys, these are so pretty. Like I was a little bit scared about these because I thought they were gonna be like a little too much over the top, but I actually like them. Like they're really cute. Okay, I'm feeling myself a little bit. Like honestly, these actually surprised me because I didn't think I was gonna like these as much as I do, but yeah, that's those. Alright guys, so the next contacts that I'm wearing for you guys today is the brown iris green contact. Pretty sure that's what they're called. If I'm wrong, of course, I'm gonna leave a little title card here for you guys to see exactly how they're spelled, and also a link down below. But yeah, I feel like these are definitely more on the natural side of things. I really do like the little detailing that you get with the green on the outer lens. I mean, honestly, I would feel okay walking around with my eyes looking like this. Like I feel like they don't look like crazy fake or anything like that. Alright guys, so these are all the contacts that I had to show you guys today. Let me know down in the comment section which ones were your favorite and which ones you guys are more curious of me possibly trying out in the future for you guys and all that fun stuff. But yeah, but other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. Follow your girl on Instagram because I'm becoming more active on there as well, and all that fun stuff. Again, don't forget to shop Diamond Debonair for some cute, authentic, real, 100% real mink lashes, okay, and cruelty free. I made sure to add that in there as well. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time you happen to be watching this, and I will see you guys in my next one.